Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's DIY is a fall table centerpiece, and before we get into the video, I want to give you your encouraging word, and that is hope. And hope is just a positive state of mind regardless of what your circumstances may look like. Keep up the hope, and let's go ahead and get into this video. The materials that you need for this DIY are very simple. You're going to need a bouquet of flowers. I picked these ones up at Michael's. As you can see here, they are very rustic, very farmhouse, but at the same time they're fall. They were on sale, so originally they're $10 and I got them. I went to the Dollar Tree and I picked up this tea light holder, and I had hauled this a long time ago from the Dollar Tree. So I mean, you can pick up something similar, or if you have something like this laying around. And then I picked up a pan, a pie pan from the Dollar Tree as well. And for additional materials, you'll need your glue gun and your glue stick, or your E6000 if you want it to be permanent. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use the glue gun and glue stick, because later on throughout the season I'm actually going to change out this top one here. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is I've gone ahead and taken off my labels from my tea light holder and my pie pan. So originally I wanted to take this off, but I found it hard, and I found that this is very flimsy, so I was just twisting it and it was becoming very unsturdy. And what I wanted to do was, this is what we're going to do, and just make it like a little table topper basically. So it didn't really work out in my favor, and I don't want to break the glass, and it's really hard to come undone as well, and I feel like if I'm twisting it, it's just coming undone here. So instead, we're just going to embrace it. So I'm just going to wrap my twine around all the way up. And I want to leave this as is. So I'm just going to put a dot of hot glue there. And there is that. Let me see how that looks like that. Alright, I'm going to use this upside down. So I'm going to find the center. And again, just keep in mind, if you want this to be a permanent stick, you can use your E6000 or any type of permanent glue. I actually, when the seasons change, I'm going to turn this into something else. So this is why I'm going to use super glue. So this is about, go. And the next thing that I'm going to do is now glue on top. Then I'm going to find my center. Okay, so now that it is glued on here, the next thing to do is to add our bouquet or florals, or whatever florals that you want to put on there. Now if you wanted to, you could put a piece of floral foam inside and then just put your florals in there. I want to show you all something different. This is usually how I away from using any floral foam, but making my flowers still look like a centerpiece. So I have some tape here. And all I'm going to do is put lines of tape So now all we're going to do is just put our flowers through there. And I think it just makes it really, really easy. I like to repurpose my florals, so these are actually I purchased last year and I used for a vase on my mantle, my fireplace mantle. However, that's not where I'm going with my decorating theme this year, so I think I'm actually going to cut these and I'm just going to split it into two. What I have so far. I really like the way it's looking. And do you remember those little pumpkins that we did on the last DIY? So I mean, you can do that, you can add that there. I have some pine cones that I just picked up at Walmart that I'm going to utilize in here. Love everything about this centerpiece, and as a matter of fact, as I just finished it, I was thinking that if I do not use it for a centerpiece on my dining room table or kitchen table, what I can do is put it at the bottom of my fireplace, like right on the corner, or I can make two and put two on each side. I mean, just creativity is endless, so don't be stuck. Recreate something special to you guys that's gonna make your home just you. And I hope that this was an inspiration to you guys. If you really enjoyed this DIY, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. I am loving the fall series that we have going on, and I cannot wait to bring more fall DIYs to you. And before you leave, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and push that notification bell for uploads. And I hope to see you guys soon. Bye-bye.